Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you a reverse camera installed on the Salter. So we have a winter truck here that use the Salter to spread salt where they clean the snow. And when they back up, big piece in the back, very hard to see. So we installed a backup camera. So the camera is connected just above the light plate. Wires are going all inside, and the connectors are actually hidden inside here, so it's easy to be removed whenever you need. Everything follows the factory wiring. And the system, we've installed here a Pioneer radio. So it's actually the MVH 2400, and that's also a system that also has the CarPlay and the Android Auto, no CD. We installed the system with the Maestro unit, which means we have vehicle information showing us on the system itself. So we're gonna go here and see, for example, car features. You can see the gauges, vehicle pressure, and other stuff. Now we put the vehicle in reverse. We're gonna have the picture changing to the camera. But we also installed it in a way that if you want, all you need to do while you're driving, so that way it makes it easier for you to actually use it. We're gonna go to our source, and we're gonna go to the camera view that we have here. Okay, so you can see it even while you're driving forward. We also have the camera view in this location, so you can press here, go to the camera view and see it while you're driving. Backup cameras and other electronics for vehicles can be found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.